Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting your reference and canvas size. Pick 1920 x 1080 for desktop or 1080 x 1920 for mobile, and lock that resolution. Next, import 3 clear reference photos and create a rough sketch layer. This establishes pose and proportions. Once done, block in base shapes with a hard round brush and lay down your main color palette. Make sure to separate layers for head, trunk, accessories, and background so changes remain non-destructive as you refine. Now refine anatomy and ornamentation. Create a clean line layer and refine proportions, then paint midtones and local colors beneath it. Use 2 light sources, key and rim, to model form. Apply multiply for shadows and screen for highlights, adjusting opacity to taste. Add texture to cloth and skin with small, varied strokes, and paint metallic ornaments with crisp highlights and soft reflections so they read as gold. Once the main forms are convincing, tidy edges and merge groups for color correction. Finish by balancing the whole image. Apply selective color adjustments, tweak contrast and vibrance, and add a soft vignette to direct attention toward Ganesh's face. Introduce subtle grain or texture to unify painted areas and use a sharpening pass only on focal elements. When exporting, choose PNG for flat color or JPEG with high quality for smaller files. Set DPI to 72 for screen or 300 for print. If details look soft after export, use noise reduction and selective sharpening to recover clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.